It's time! Hi guys, Cover Girl Lee here. Welcome to Curbside Trends and day 3 of Vlogmas. So today is also day 3 of my self-love and self-care challenge, and day 3 of that challenge is going to be to do something creative. So I decided to actually pair the two, and I made this garland wreath for my mantle. Stay tuned to see how I complete this mantelpiece.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Head on over to your local Dollar Tree and pick up you 2 of the miniature Christmas trees for $1.25. The tree, of course, comes with hardware that allows it to stand up. However, you're going to take all of that hardware off, including the bases of the tree, and then you're going to put them together in this fashion. I personally use tape. However, if hot glue works better for you, then of course you may use that. So you're going to tape those together, and then you're going to spread the branches of the tree out. Not in a way that you would do when you are actually fluffing a tree. You're going to want to keep both sides of it flat, actually spreading the branches on the left or the right side, and to make like a arrow shape. After you've completed one side, you will complete the other side in the same way, making them symmetrical, and then you will move on to your bow. Now, first of all, let me say that this bow kind of beat me up. However, I will tag the video that I used to kind of guide me through this, just to kind of give you a clear picture, because I'm just really unsure if I can even explain to you what I'm doing here. But I'm going to give it a shot. So I did not measure this. I chose the length that I'm folding based on how big I felt like I wanted my bow to be. And I just wrapped that about 6 times. And then after that, I folded that in half to show me the center point of my bow. I made 2 slits on each side of, once I saw that fold for the center point. I didn't cut it completely through, just made 2 little slits, and that is going to be my anchor point for tying my bow. So that will be the center of my bow. After I tied them, I went ahead and started fluffing out my bow petals, I guess would be the word. And then the more you kind of play with it, the fluffier it'll be. It did take me some time to really fluff it out. I'm not even gonna lie to you. And it still just did not look how I wanted it to look. I honestly usually buy my bows because they do give me such a headache. But this was a DIY, and so I decided that I was going to give it another go. And this bow just did not turn out too terrible. I mean, it's not like the perfect bows that you see in the store, but it's definitely workable. And I feel over time I will get better and better. See, that's my problem. If I'm not really good at it at first, I just don't. I just can't keep it going. Anyway, remember in day 2 how I told y'all life be lifing? It's continuing to life. So first of all, I could not find my glue gun. So I went out and I bought another glue gun, and that glue gun was not working. So I ended up having to take my lighter, my torch lighter, and melting the glue sticks to be able to use them. Life is still lifing. Anyway, moving right along. So you're going to decide how long you want your tail to be, and then you're going to double that measurement, keeping it as one piece but folding it in half. And then you will fold that piece hot dog style and snip it at an angle on the loose ends. Keep it as one piece again and fold it in half, and then snip it at an angle on the loose pieces, and that is going to create what I learned today to be called a dovetail. Glue these together, making a slight V shape with your loose ends, and then you're going to glue this to the back of your bow. The final step is going to be gluing your 2 pieces together, placing the bow in the center to cover up that tape or hot glue, whatever it is that you chose to do. And then voila, you have a cute little centerpiece for your mantle. This was a budget-friendly DIY, overall very cost-efficient, but still absolutely adorable. And that is all for me on day 3 of Vlogmas. I'll see you tomorrow.